Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. How are you? I hope you are fine. Dear viewers, I showed you this website in the last video, and I showed you how important backlink. So I also showed you domain rating of this website and more details about backlink and this website, but I did not show you how to create a profile in this website in order to create backlink. Dear viewers, I thank you if you already have created a profile in this website in order to create backlink, and who did not create or could not create a profile in order to create backlink. So then I gonna show you how to create a backlink on this website today. So dear viewers, before starting making this video, I am requesting you to subscribe to my channel and comment and like and share to your social media profile. Dear viewers, let's get started. Dear viewers, I am clicking on profile icon, then I clicking on logout because I am already login. So I need to log out because I am going to create a new profile on this website. That's why I log out. Dear viewers, you can see on top right corner here, you can see sign up. I need to click on it in order to create a profile. So here I can see some option: sign up with Facebook or sign up with Google. So I think Google is very easy for anything online. So at first you need to click on I accept the term and I agree, then click on sign up with Google. So dear viewers, select one Gmail from the list you have. So I am clicking on an email from the list, then click continue. Your profile is ready, so go to profile, go to my profile. So dear viewers, in this way you can create profile here, and now let's go to see how to add your website on this website in your profile. So now you need to click on profile icon, then click on profile. So dear viewers, you can see you can make a post here. Dear viewers, you already I think noticed that I am log out my first website. I tried to create a new profile here, but I log in again in my old website. That's why I think I log out. I need to log out this website, and then I should create a new profile with my another website. So I click on logout. Dear viewers, I am clicking on a new Gmail account in order to create a new account with a new website. So click on continue. Go to my profile. Dear viewers, you can see here it is empty, no post here or no website here. Sorry viewers, here also it has website. I have forgot that. I already get it backlink here, no problem viewers. I creating a new post here. Dear viewers, I am creating a post help with ChatGPT, taking help from ChatGPT. The post is very long, so I need to shorten it. So I pasted the post that I copied from ChatGPT. Now click on post. Dear viewers, you can see I have created a post. I am going to edit it. Dear viewers, in the post I am putting my website in order to create backlink. So click on submit. Dear viewers, you can see here we can see our website. So in this way we can create backlink here. If you click on the website, it will take you to your website. If you if you inspect it, you can see more details. Dear viewers, you can see here is no any indication that flop, it is no follow, so it is do follow backlink. Dear viewers, no more today. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and comment and share to your social media profile. Allah Hafiz.